Welcome to our tutorial for signing up on 1xBet and using the promo code MISTERBETS to activate your bonus. Fantastic! Stick with us until the end of this guide, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin. Firstly, head to the 1xBet website. Once you're there, click on Registration. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the option to select your bonus, whether it's for the casino or sports. Now on to the next step. After selecting your bonus, choose One Click. Here you'll input your country and currency details. Remember the crucial step. Enter MISTERBETS into the promo code field to activate your bonus with the first deposit. Once that's done, click Register and complete the CAPTCHA. Your registration details will be securely stored. For added security, you may also want to provide your email. Moving forward, select Make a Deposit. Then, pick your preferred payment method. With over 70 options available, you're sure to find one that suits you best. After completing your initial deposit, your bonus, whether for sports or the casino, will be ready to use. It's as simple as that. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time.